What's up, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ryder.
And I'm Ty. And today, we are doing a basket. But before we get into that, I know I said we have a little announcement for you guys. If you would like to show himself now.
I'm James. I'm James.
We got a new plant guy for this season.
We got the trio now.
The trio now.
Mm-hmm.
There'll be more videos to come with him.
Yep, y'all better get used to it.
Get excited.
All right, let's
All
get
right.
into this. We're doing a 12-inch white hanging basket. This is the autumn colors mix. We'll be using a red, orange, and yellow Calibrachoa. These Calibrachoas come in pods of 3. So this has 3 plants in it. That means we're gonna have 9 plants total.
Yes, sir. If you'd like to do the honors. We already watered it, by the way.
Wetted down dirt, so we can start off by sprinkling a little bit of fertilizer around that thing.
Hell yeah.
All right, now just for the cows. 3 in the middle, like a triangle.
And that's about it. We got a red, an orange, and a yellow.
Yep. All right, so in they go.
In they go.
Well, that's it.
Here, if you would like to watch us put the hanger,
Intake.
everyone grab a thing.
Behind the scenes of how we put the hangers onto the box,
So-
in case anyone was wondering. Now we will be tagging the hanger.
Always got to tag it.
And these are a retail basket in the store. They go for $45 per basket.
Per basket. 1 for 45 each.
And my mom has some pictures she's going to throw up on here on the video
For
of
the
some
voiceover?
baskets that have grown out. Probably around August or June or July.
Mm-hmm. Well, we are the plant guys with our new plant guy.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Say hello to James, everybody.
Yep. Have a good night,
Hello.
good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good evening.
I said good morning.
Good morning.
Whatever time it is for you right now, we're the plant guys. See you in the next one.
We're not cutting
Oh.
that whole last part seemed a little unnecessary.
I'm going in the mill.
Am I now?
There's a showcase.
Okay, you gotta hide behind us and we're gonna announce you. Yeah. Wait, go down. There you go. All right. Okay, we'll just do normal intro, all right? Okay, start her off.
What's up, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ryder.
And I'm Ty. And today,
Coming up with
no. I'm gonna like and. All right, we're good. Just do it again.